Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome to another video on XLM, Stella, Lumen. And in this video, I want to review this article on how Stella is going to power Visa's new partnership with USDC, allowing millions and millions of people around the world to have access to this stablecoin USDC, which is going to be built on the foundation of Stella Lumen, which will have impact on Stella price in the future, even though we have hit all-time highs again recently, and how this will push it to all-time highs beyond that prices that we've seen recently. So before we begin, I'm just another investor like yourself trying to put pieces together in order to make sound financial decisions on where my money should be. So your help is much appreciated. If you're not subscribed already, to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. You're also welcome to follow us on Instagram and at New Finance Lifestyle, and DM us your portfolio and what your thoughts are on this cryptocurrency or any currency that you hold, which with a chance of being featured in future videos. So let's begin with this article from News BTC by Reynaldo Marquez, which says Stella to power Visa's new partnership, and XLM begins to break out. So alongside Visa, Tala, and Circle, one of the companies behind USDC, the corporation aims to provide access to digital assets in emerging markets. Initially, Tala will enable unbanked users to access this stablecoin in a digital wallet. So, if you know that USDC is built on top of the Stellar Development Foundation blockchain. So, Visa having partnered with USDC, and how Visa is recognized all around the world, and them trying to push, thus they will be able to make cross-border transaction and access fiat crypto services. In addition, Visa will issue cards with funds linked to wallets. In doing so, these users will have the capacity to spend their crypto balance in over 70 million merchants around the world. So what Stella, USDC, Visa, Tala, and Circle as a team are trying to make available for everyone, for financially undeveloped countries, they want to make a unbanked financial service for them, allowing them to access USDC, which is built on top of Stellar Lumen development, which will allow people to use USDC to make purchase merchandise in 70 million merchants from over 70 million merchants around the world, which will mean a higher use of Stellar Lumen blockchain as a whole. So their goal is for people to send remittance as one of the goals besides spending, and they are specifically targeting clients in Mexico, Kenya, India, and other countries in Asia, in the Asian continent. And these countries, Mexico being a huge market itself in America, Kenya being a huge market, emerging market in Africa, and India being a superpower itself in Asia, and which will also include other countries in the Asian continent. And he also goes on to talk a little bit about the bullish trajectory of XLM, and how the fact that XLM having reached the highs that it reached on Thursday and Friday, will have an impact on the cryptocurrency reaching, going beyond the prices that we are seeing now. So the traders expect XLM to reach a new high in the short term, and added, when something breaks out of a multi-year range, it tends to go much higher than people think. So XLM broke out of a multi-year range that it was trading in, and usually going back to all to the history of last bull market, and the data from XLM and other cryptocurrencies. Usually, when a cryptocurrency nears beating its all-time high, or beating its all-time high by a small margin, then it has a cool-off period where it does consolidate, and then is predicted to beat that all-time high by a by multiples. So uh, these are once again all predictions based on previous data, and nothing is certain in this market, and nothing in this video is financial advice, but only my research, just because I am interested in this cryptocurrency as a whole, having heard about the development with Visa and how this will enable millions of people to access USDC, which is built on top of Stella, and Visa being a big player in this in this partnership, will have a huge role to play in the upside movement of Stella as a whole. Once again, I will leave this the link to this article in the description section below, so you're welcome to have a look at it yourself. You're welcome to leave your thoughts on this, and if you're holding any Stella, and how much you hold, and how long have you been holding it, and what your price targets are as well, in the comment section below. Other than that, please do your own research and make the final decisions yourself. And please subscribe if you still haven't, give this video a like, and also follow us on New Finance Lifestyle on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.